Hi folks, Carlos Garcia here, and I'm a certified Taxdome consultant, and I want to show you today the updated 2025 Ultimate Tax Workflow. Now, this workflow is going to be built for tax practitioners using Taxdome that are looking to automate all of their processes when you're bringing your clients into the tax season. It's updated for the 2024 tax years, and right now, January 2025, I'm sharing with you a little bit around how you can leverage this so that you can work easily through your pipeline. So as you'll notice, the first stage of this workflow, when you're adding, normally when you bulk add clients onto a workflow, if you kick off all the automations at once, it could be really overwhelming. So one of the best practices is to actually create a holding stage where you can start bringing clients onto the kickoff letter / welcome email by batches. So that way you're not overwhelming your system, you're not overwhelming your team or yourself with clients responding, what's my status, where are my documents, et cetera, et cetera. So that's one thing that's unique about this one, is that you would move it into the kickoff when you're ready. And of course, as you do that, the first automations that you have is two journeys. You have a new customer journey and you have a returning customer journey. A new customer will receive a more like welcome to our firm type of message as a automated email. That template's already pre-built for you, and then you just change some of the details around your firm. The returning client is more of a welcome back, and the engagement letter is kind of a generic annual engagement letter that you would send to your clients. All of these templates will be automatically uploaded to your system once you buy the pipeline itself, along with the tags, so that it makes it all easy for you. All you just basically have to do is drop the client into the pipeline, and of course get your clients tagged accordingly so that they receive the specific automations that you need. The next stage is going to be just a basic task for document request, followed by a kind of extension scenario. So if your clients are not going to make it within time, then of course you can tag them as an extension needed, and it'll kind of keep them in this middle bucket. Then from there, it will take them into prep, review, which if you or another team member are doing the first prep and you're doing the final prep, however you want to split some of those tasks, you would have to go into those templates and create a different assignment of who's responsible for completing the task. From there, it traditionally moves into uploading the draft, sending the invoice. You want to get client feedback if everything looks good before you request e-signature. Some folks like to combine this, but I like to keep it separate because some people like to get the approval and verify that the invoice has been paid before requesting e-signature. Of course, then going into e-file, and then after e-filing, kind of puts you into a middle stage to determine if the e-file was accepted or rejected. And then it sends the client a final thank you email. And all of these tags are actually happening throughout the pipeline. Some are being added, some are being removed, but at the end, it sort of resets everything. And any new client will no longer become a new client. It will actually automatically be turned into a returning client. So they go through a returning client journey. So that's a little bit about this pipeline. And if you're interested, go ahead and purchase it. Any questions, reach out to me. Thanks.